From sky to table, unraveling the culinary mystery of bird's nest soup. Today, get ready to be pleasantly shocked as we unveil one of China's most bizarre and expensive delicacies. We're talking about bird's nest soup. Now, before you freak out and imagine birds actually simmering in a pot, relax. That's not the case at all. We're about to dive deep into the ridiculously fascinating world of bird saliva and how it has become a delicacy in China. Picture this, an exquisite soup delicately prepared using rare birds' nests. Guess what? These nests aren't made of twigs and feathers. Nope. They're created using the saliva of tiny swiftlets. Those little birds that are like the superheroes of the bird world. These super-powered swiftlets create nests by producing a special kind of saliva. They put loads of effort into it. It's like they become professional architects or something. Legend has it that these nests are strong enough to support the weight of the birds themselves, which is pretty mind-boggling. These birds are likely to be secretly plotting the next architectural wonder of the world. Move aside, Taj Mahal. Now, let's talk about the fascinating history of bird's nest soup. Get this, it has been around in China for over 4 centuries. And it isn't just some old soup, it's considered a delicacy fit for emperors and high-ranking officials. Can you imagine an emperor spooning up a bowl of soup made from bird saliva? Talk about living the high life. No wonder the price tag on this delicacy is sky high. So how do they turn the bird's spectacular saliva into soup? I know you're dying to know. Well, the nests are harvested carefully, cleaned up, and then skillfully transformed into a hearty soup that tickles your taste buds. Rumor has it that bird's nest soup is not just delicious, but also boasts health benefits. It's believed to be good for your skin, immunity, and general well-being. So it's like a spa treatment in a bowl. Well, folks, we've uncovered the mystical origins of China's bird's nest soup, a dish created by using the fine art of swiftlet saliva. Whether you find it weird, intriguing, or simply mind-blowing, one thing is for sure, China never ceases to amaze us with its culinary wonders. Cheers to the bird's nest soup and the most fabulous feathered treat. Until next time, stay adventurous, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.